Thank you.
Oh.
Wow, that was nice.
Yeah, but what's okay? That doesn't seem sustainable to me. Another hole closing.
Okay, wow, that's smart. That's smart.
It's pretty okay.
I would even test it, I guess.
You don't like that hole? Use some white over it. Nice. Don't like that hole? Use some gold. I feel like it's nice.
Wow.
It's good.
Yeah, not bad. I mean, better than it was.
Yep.
Word.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now we're filling. How are we gonna fill this hole now?
I have an idea.
You have an idea? Okay.
Yeah. You will take another piece of the same thing and just to keep it there.
Ah.
But you know what? It's not gonna work if there is empty space. The whole thing just fell.
You gotta fill it in.
Yeah. So it could work, but
it could be better.
Yeah. Usually you have a space between your drywall and the actual wall.
Yeah. Yeah. Exactly.
Okay.
Okay.
So what a nice paint.
What a nice paint job. Yes, not at all edited.
Yeah.
Just leave it like that. That's good. Yep.
Oh, that's kind of clever.
It is clever.
Yeah.
But I don't know. It's nice, but I feel like when they were cutting it, they could have accidentally cut a hole in the bottom, and then made it an even more of a mess. You know.
This could be. You need to be careful, but I knew some people who could do precisely good cutting and even don't touch the table.
Okay. Yeah. All right. 5-minute crafts just built different, I guess. The laws of physics don't apply to 5-minute crafters.
What I want to say, you can try. I mean,
ooh.
Depends how handful you are. Wow.
That's nice to get rid of those little air bubbles.
Yeah, and such smooth movements. Wow.
Smooth movements. I just imagine 5-minute crafters in general have like very smooth movements in everything they do. Like even when they trip over, they like slow motion, you know?
Yeah. Actually, there is really sometimes you need to move everything, on time.
Yeah, it's a very
not the same
elaborate process.
Reaper hacks! Here we go. Okay. Wow, that was nice.
That was pretty good.
Wow. Oh,
okay.
Is it a car?
It looks like a mini car, yeah.
Yeah.
Are you making
making time? Yeah. Oh.
Okay.
What a nice paint job.
That's a pretty good paint job.
Wow.
So we have polystyrene, how do you pronounce that? I don't know.
Polystyrene cutter?
Foam, yes. Okay. So we got these little pyramid triangle things. They're not pyramids, but you know what I'm talking about?
Yep.
All right. Cement. Okay.
So
what are we making with this? It looks like a 4D chess, like 4D chess play, IQ 5000.
I don't know. It looks like the thing for your walls to absorb some sound.
Yeah. It looks like a recording artist booth.
Yeah. Maybe it could work.
Yeah.
I'm not sure. But wow, what a nice gadget.
Pretty good.
Yeah, and we tested the same one. It works well.
Nice.
Very easy to do. Okay, what is this? It's just
drywall. Okay, a tool to make a perfect hole. That's good.
Okay.
And that works, yeah. It probably wouldn't be that clean though. You'd have to sand it off the edges.
Yeah, I can agree with you, but generally it's good work.
Yeah.
Wow, nice.
Very good. You probably, unless someone sticks a finger in
it. Yeah, actually, but they should have something, right? Okay, what is... Oh!
Repair hacks! Okay.
Oh, wow, that was
pretty satisfying.
Oh, the... See? Here we are.
Okay.
Oh.
Ah, okay.
It's kind of nice.
It's a fast way to stack them up.
Yeah, but I'm trying to understand how it will be on the construction.
Ooh. Ooh, that's kind of satisfying looking.
Yeah, but for what?
I don't know why you would do it, but...
Why you did it?
Not everything has to have a meaning. Not everything has to have a purpose.
Sounds nice.
I'm a stoic. Okay, so use your watering can to water cement on your bricks.
Between your bricks.
Because bricks are basically plants.
What?
Yeah.
I didn't get it.
Okay, so what? Plumber's tape? I didn't know plumbers had a specific tape. That's
no, it's hat.
Yeah?
This thing to, to predict some water leaking.
Ah, that makes sense.
So I think. So.
I know there's a plumber's crack. I just didn't know there was a plumber's tape.
Yeah. You can
they're ruining
tape your plumbers.
This is going pretty fast.
Wow.
All right, so we got some yellow tape here. So now you can keep your brush clean. What's the point of even having it then?
I don't know.
Should we get some ice cream? Yeah. Let's go. Okay. Sorry guys, we're gonna go get ice cream.
Yeah. Okay, we'll finish.
Fine. Okay. Wow. Nice. Get the perfect circle. Circle. Okay, and we're putting these little drummels in there. All right. I didn't think that was necessary, but okay.
I love these gadgets as well. I don't know, this sold work with the steering foam, with the plastic when you have this.
Oh no, the table's too big. Why don't you just pick it up like a normal person?
Wait, what?
I don't know. He was just picking it up weird. All right, cool.
Wow.
So now only you can pick it up. If someone has shorter arms, too bad. Yeah, this one didn't work very well, right?
Yes, we tested this, and maybe we did something wrong, but
I think it's just not strong, you know, the type of metal.
Yeah. Or you need. I don't know. It didn't work for us, but we tried this and kind of, not just once.
Wow, perfect circle. And we have a, what the heck is that thing? Oh wow, that's awesome.
Yeah, you didn't know this?
That's a metal shaver.
Yeah,
beautiful.
It's a metal shaver.
Was it wood?
It's a wood. It was a wood.
Sorry, it looked like bronze or something, or like brass.
No. It's
one of the burrs.
Oh, now I got why you're surprised. So, if it would be a metal,
that would be pretty impressive.
Yeah.
What are they doing with that bag? Okay, so they're cutting open. Now we have some cement, and we have a cauliflower. All right. Why we have the cauliflower in the cement?
I don't know.
That looks really crappy. So we're putting cement in a glove.
So it's like a folder. It's like for your phone.
That looks so scary, actually.
Yes, so bad.
Okay, we're making a mold of our hands, putting some gypsum inside,
and I love this material.
It's pretty cool.
Wow.
That looks okay.
Look at it. That's awesome.
Yeah.
I wouldn't say this okay. This is great.
Okay, chill.
Yeah.
Right. So we're making.
Okay. I saw what I thought this could be better, but I saw in our hack, also with the cement and in our fabric when you put it in cement and you can, put it on the on the balloon and make it.
That one's cool.
Yeah, that was well, nice.
I like that.
Kind of smart to take the fabric and put it in cement
to make it stay the same shape. Yeah, it's nice.
Wow, very smart. Yeah, sometimes
this looks crazy. What the heck am I watching now? Okay. So they dipped it in the cement and then they started forming it.
I get it.
Pretty cool.
So kind of like it, to be honest.
It looks like it might chip off some of the cement after a while though.
That's a thing, I guess. Especially when you put some stuff around.
Yeah, and it moves around and stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, cool mask. Face thing.
Is it mask? I guess it's just.
It's like a garden decoration or something. Broken bulb. Put some cement in it.
So why?
A nail.
Okay. I have an idea. What is? Wow, that's kind of dangerous.
Yeah, a little dangerous to hold it at the same time.
Yeah, to break these glasses. So I have the mark here because of these glasses.
You did like the same thing?
Not the same thing. I just broke the elbow, and it's when I even didn't notice how I make a cut. It was so fast.
Oh my gosh, yeah, it looks like a big scar.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have moldy bread. We put it inside of our cement, and now it's moldy cement bread, and we can put as a coaster. Okay, that's weird.
Is it supposed to stop spoiling?
I have no idea. Guys, let us know if it does. Yeah. I don't know. We put a potato in there, and now we have a crappy potato thing. Why?
That's kind of...
No! Don't make excuses for them.
No, it's actually my thing. I really... it was a nice teapot. Oh, not teapot, flower pot.
Oh, you have it? Okay.
No, I don't have it. I have actually no any flowers.
Okay.
Any plants.
Wow, that looks pretty crazy.
They sell milk at all this and packing. Look how it's satisfying.
It's kind of cool, that one.
Seriously?
Guys, question of the day, what was your favorite hack here?
Write us in the comment.
These repair hacks are supposed to make your life easier. Let's see if they're easier or harder on your life.
Yeah.
Okay, so this one.
So the first one I couldn't write because it's like.
I think that one's easier.
Easier, yeah.
Okay, this one, spring.
If it worked, let's imagine that everything
easier.
What they telling us works well.
Harder. Why? Just bend the freaking sponge.
Kinda easier. What is this for? Useless.
Yeah. Hot knife.
Okay.
Dough.
Dough.
Easier.
Easier. It's not hard to make it. So
glue stick.
What is this? I guess.
Easier. Yeah, it's a good thing.
Yeah.
It's much stronger than most of those little wooden ones.
So it will be.
Harder. Let me tell you why. If you put any liquid in that thing, it's going all over every bag in there.
Yeah, dang.
Yeah.
Yes, if it's not sealed enough. Yeah. Right.
It
looks like you tried this.
Yeah. I did it actually for a little bit. It didn't go well.
Oh boy.
Okay, so let's see this guy.
So what is this?
On top. Doop. I kind of like it, whatever it is.
Oh,
it's a door
stopper.
This is easy because if you don't have one, good.
Okay, looks ugly, but fine.
Yeah, it's ugly.
But it depends. Yeah, from
easier.
What is this? It's that kind of
Oh, it's like a little spray cap, so you can.
yeah. It's
easier
a
if you don't have one.
feature. I don't know. Yeah, easier.
I like it.
Would I do it? No, but easier.
Yeah.
Oh boy, easier.
easier. Yeah, that's cool.
Yes, but dangerous.
Yeah, it looks a little because if it keeps going down.
Yeah, if you will not get it,
Yeah.
bad things could happen. Easier.
Easier. That's
Yeah,
cool.
we tested this. That's why I'm confident about this.
Get some WD-40, a glue gun. Ugh.
That was too much.
This
Oh,
looks like there are better solutions, maybe.
What is this for?
It's for like it makes it extend in the hole.
Harder, and it doesn't
Yeah.
work. It looks like it doesn't work.
There are much better ways to do that.
So
They have actual little things, you know, that you can use.
yeah.
So
Of course, they telling us that in case if you don't have it, but still, you
that's
can take-
easier for the extension.
All right, what is this? I know.
Oh, they're making a key.
No, they're not making. They just make the connection.
Nice.
For this.
Easier, I guess, if you don't have. But you could just get one.
Yeah.
A knife.
For me, harder.
Okay. Slide it in. Let's turn it on. Easier. I like it. It looks nice.
That's fine.
If you have a lot of things up there.
Yeah, agree.
Okay. So
It's for shower.
yeah.
Oh,
In a survival
boy.
situation?
Yes. Okay.
That's good.
Easier.
That's good stuff. Glue stick.
Glue stick and what?
Ugh. Why? You ruined your scissors.
It was. Wait. What?
What is it for?
Let us know in the comments.